In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files using Chrome Remote Desktop. This is a really useful feature if you need to move files between two computers without using a USB drive, email, or cloud storage services. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect to another computer remotely and transfer files between devices using Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Chrome Remote Desktop. If you haven't already set it up, you'll need to install Chrome Remote Desktop on both computers. Once everything is ready, go to the computer you want to access remotely. On that computer, generate the access code. Now go back to your current computer and enter that access code in Chrome Remote Desktop. After entering the code, click on Connect. You may need to wait a few moments while the connection is established. Once connected, you'll be able to see and control the other computer directly from your screen. You can use the remote computer as if you were sitting in front of it. If needed, you can switch to full screen mode for a better viewing experience. Now, look for the menu on the right side of the screen. This menu contains several options and controls for your remote session. Depending on your version of Chrome Remote Desktop, you may see options for uploading or downloading files. If you want to send a file to the remote computer, choose the Upload option and select the file from your device. If you want to save a file from the remote computer to your local computer, choose the Download option and select the file you want to transfer. After selecting the file, Chrome Remote Desktop will begin the transfer process automatically. The transfer speed will depend on your internet connection and the size of the file. Larger files may take longer, while smaller files are usually transferred very quickly. One of the biggest advantages of Chrome Remote Desktop is that you don't need extra hardware or additional file sharing software. Everything can be done through the remote connection. This makes it useful for working from home, helping family members with their computers, accessing important documents remotely, or moving files between your own devices. If you're planning to transfer important files regularly, it's a good idea to keep your files organized in folders so they're easier to find on both computers. Also, make sure both computers remain connected to the internet during the transfer process to avoid interruptions. As a quick recap, open Chrome Remote Desktop, connect to the remote computer using the access code, wait for the connection to establish, open the Session menu, and then use the Upload or Download options to transfer your files. Once the transfer is complete, you'll be able to access the files on the destination computer immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer files using Chrome Remote Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.